When I find signs like this for super cheap prices, I have to grab them for a transformation. Hey, this is Rhonda with the Cozy Loft, and I'm glad you're here. I wanted to show you kind of how I did this sign. It's fairly long. It's about 18 inches long by about 2 inches wide, and it has some really bright colors on it. So I'm going to start off by painting it black on all the sides. I feel like it needs a little more color, so next I'm going to dry brush some turquoise on it. It kind of gives it a little bit of additional color, and I'm going to use a really old, dilapidated brush for this process. So it's not perfect. It's going to have a very imperfect look to it. For the words, I'm going to put on sleep, pray, love. To start, I knew I needed dots at the 6-inch and the 12-inch mark, since this is an 18-inch sign. I needed to center my 3 words, so that helped me with that. Then I used chalk to sketch them out. I started using a paint color called Toasted Marshmallow, but I decided I didn't really like the cream tone. So when I did the next coats, I changed it to a plain white. After I finished painting the words, I sanded it very lightly to distress the words. I wanted it to have an older, weathered look. If you're painting on top of an old design like I am, be sure not to sand with too much pressure because the other words or the other colors may show through. Finally, I'm going to seal it with a Krylon matte sealer, and it's all finished. It was that quick and easy. This piece will be available in the shop. You can click on the link in the description box for this video to go straight to it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. I'll see you all soon.